Follow me, is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the Google backup. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from settings we're gonna scroll down to accounts right here and tap on account. Now before you begin, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi as I am, otherwise you won't be able to log in. So from here, choose Google right here, give it a moment for it to load, and then put in your email address. Now if you don't have one, you can always create one right here by tapping on create, or just do it on your computer, whichever one seems more convenient, and then you can log in. So let's go next, then put in a password for your account. Now I'm going to do that off the screen, and you will see this is the next page after you log in. So Google welcoming screen for terms of service. Nothing says welcome like terms of service that you need to agree to progress, so let's tap on that. I agree, and here make sure that backup to Google Drive is enabled and tap on accept. Now you can also tap on your account right here and get, well, just tap on sync, there we go, and you will get all the options what you can sync between devices. Now what this actually does is whatever other device that you have connected to the same account will basically have all the same information. So if you add a contact on this device, the same contact will appear on the other device that is logged into the same Google account. Unless you, for instance, disable contacts, then it will not. So disable and enable whichever options you want to be synced between different devices, and once you're satisfied, you can just leave this place and it will be automatically syncing. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.